Hi guys, so today I'm filming my May favorites. This will be my first favorites video. So sorry for the lack of videos on my channel just because I'm not keeping up well, but I just forced myself to get out of bed and film a video. At least I wanted to start my favorites videos on my channel, and when I started my YouTube channel I promised myself, once you started you have to do it. That was my promise to myself, and I feel so grateful that I actually managed to get up and I've started filming. But I don't have more stuff to show because I don't like summers. During summer I go completely antisocial. I don't go out. I don't hate summer in general. I hate summers for myself. It's just because Indian summers are like not that happening at all. It went up up to 50 degree or maybe more, and this summer I've been falling ill all the time. Today also I'm not well. I'm so sorry for my voice because I'm suffering from cold, fever and cough and all that jazz. I've just forced myself. I'm on antibiotics right now. If you're watching me for the first time, please make sure do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and subscription is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. You'll get a notification every time I upload new video, so that's quite nice, right? So yeah, please do that. So this is all I got to share with you guys. These are all my favorites for this month. So without wasting more of the time, let's begin. So this is the first thing. I know this is not makeup related, but I have been loving this last month. It's Palmolive Thermal Spa Skin Renewal, and it's in crushed coconut and jojoba butter extracts. But I tell you guys, I have a memory with this. It always reminds me of my childhood when my dad used to buy me a Barbie doll, and the hair of the Barbie used to smell just exactly like this shower gel. So it reminds me of that. I go every time I take shower. I've already completed 2 of these and I've got one more backup for this. As you can see, it's only this much, like this much. Used to buy this just to go back to my memories and recollect all those cute memories I have with my sister. In summers I always used to use some like coconut smell. In summers I probably use body mist on and off, like twice, thrice, 4 times, any time of the day, because it was 50 degrees as I told you before. So I need to spray body mist on my body all the time. So the body mist which I was using last month was Victoria's Secret, and I still love this, and I'm gonna continue to use this because it's still gonna be summer. I know it's not gonna rain that hard, so we probably gonna need to smell good all the time. So this was the mist which I was using last month. It's from Victoria's Secret, strawberry and champagne. So I love this one. Now, last month I got this, last month I guess, and last month I was continuously using this product on my lips. It's very nice. It's in the flavor blueberry blush, and it's a lip butter, and it looks like this. Let me show you if I can open this. I don't like the packaging at all because I always stuck my finger in there and I always get hurt. I don't know, but it smells, and it is having just a consistency like a butter. It exactly looks like a butter. It's very sticky. I used to apply overnight, and my lips used to feel very nourished in the morning, so I used to use it that way. Try it. I highly recommend it if you like it. Please buy this, and they are not expensive, I guess. The next thing I would like to talk about the makeup stuff, the interesting stuff. So I've got this much of makeup. Summer is all about natural makeup. We don't want to cake our face with loads and hordes of makeup, so I used to use only those products during summer, which are like very like, you know, zap zap and go that kind of a product. L'Oreal's True Match Concealer, which is my holy grail concealer. If you don't have Urban Decay's concealer, you can buy this. The consistency is exactly like Urban Decay's concealer, but it's awesome. Like, see, it's very dewy and it's very easy to blend as well, so it's very nice. It sets really fast. As you can see, it sets actually really fast. I love the consistency of this. If you cannot get your hands on liquid concealer, you can definitely try L'Oreal True Match. This is my favorite concealer, and this doesn't last for too long. You need to touch up after certain hours. Like it lasts for me personally, it lasts for like 3.5 hours maybe. But I love this concealer. If I'm going out for a movie or something, I always tend to use this concealer. I used to use around my mouth, corners of my forehead, and under my eyes. You are looking for some good concealer, so definitely check this out. I highly recommend you of this concealer. This is my most favorite. So once applying concealer, I used to set it with this powder, and I'm in the shade Sweet Shell 003, and it's called Timeless Filling and Lifting Compact with hyaluronic acid and UV filter, so it protects from sun as well. Looks like this, and I've hit the pan, so sorry for that, but as I told you, it's my favorite. And here you get the sponge with that, but I don't use that sponge, so I have taken that thing out. I'm loving this from last 6 years, but this is my favorites video, like first ever favorites video. So I need to mention this. And the wand is like this. It's very fluffy and full, as you can see. It's in waterproof version. I've been using continuously, and right now I'm wearing the same mascara, by the way. Got this in the shade Ebony, and this is a Brow Powder Duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is very famous for eyebrow products. I've been using this on daily basis, and I've been loving this. So far so good, so I highly recommend you to buy this. Want me to film an eyebrow routine on my channel? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to film that one for you. So the basket is empty. No, there are 3 products which I've been loving last month. These 2 are from Lakme, and this one is from Maybelline. I've been loving this Lakme 9 to 5 lip liner. This is in the shade Brick Rose, nude shade, which is very like brown. It is having a brown undertones to it. So this is the lip shade. This Lakme 9 to 5 creaseless matte. This lipstick I used to love a lot. Like this lipstick, this is in the shade MB1 Coffee Command, and this is the shade. I used to apply this lip liner, and on top of it I used to use, so if you want to see a close-up of it, I'll be using like half of it so that you can see how it looks. See, and I use this combo on day-to-day basis. I love this combination. Maybelline's Lip Gradation, which is in the shade Mauve 1. Exactly a mauve shade. So this is Maybelline's Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. This one's Lakme 9 to 5. This one is Lakme 9 to 5 in the shade Coffee Command MB1, which says, and this portion is like lip liner in Brick Rose, and this is the combination of Lakme 9 to 5 Coffee Command plus Brick Rose. So that was all the products which were my favorite, which I was been loving last month, and I hope I'll be able to film my favorites video every month like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow me on all the social media. It's Salvi Trivedi. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, as well as Twitter. If you're watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button down there to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Is absolutely free, and I'll be more than happy to welcome into my small little YouTube family. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. See you in my next video. Bye.